Good morning, guys. We are here in Abu Dhabi National Theatre. Final rehearsal nila Eliana for her play tomorrow. Hi, baby. Good morning. And we are with Kuya Zian this time. And Tita Karen. And Daddy, of course.
Daddy, of course.
Pero gomirit niya pa.
Liana, hey, picture.
Here are our babies. Pang YouTube to Tita.
Future artista. 1, 2.
Sayang naman yung pinaganda nila dun sa Hamdan. Kasi for sure yung mga grade 6 pataas, ilan lang yan eh.
Hindi, nag-a-accept na rin sila ng PG eh.
We're going
Yung PG na rin
underpass.
nata doon.
Oo, meron. Yung kay Marcy, di ba?
Now we're going St. Joseph Church with Daddy and Tita Karen. Oh, yan. Oh. Yung asawa kong supportive.
Yan ang
Support-
pakita mo para madaming
Supportive
manood.
mag-asawa. We just dropped the kids in the Abu Dhabi National Theatre. Now we're going in St. Teres Church. We will attend 9 o'clock English Mass.
Si Kuya, pinagkakas dyan.
Sabihin mo, dalawang cellphone ha?
Dahil ba't kailangan mo dalawa?
Binatasan.
Hindi kasi ito sa lahat.
Pasagad sa inyo yung ganon?
Hello
Gusto sa
guys!
inyo yung ganon? Sabitan.
We're done with the mass. So, papunta uli kami, pabalik kami sa Abu Dhabi National Theatre para tumambay.
Maaga
Tumambay kasi maaga pa. 12 pa matatapos ang rehearsal nila Eliana.
Hindi baka meron
Lakad na lang kami, tatawid lang kami doon. Doon. Ewan ko kung saan kami makakatambay. Mainit.
Baka may malapit
Mainit
na
na.
chai time na. Chai time.
Kaya
Chai.
nga, si Karen hindi pa daw nag-alis.
Bandang 11 tayo
Ngayon ay alas
pumunta doon.
10 na.
11:30.
Alas 10 ng umaga. So, very productive ang ating araw. Nakasimba pa kami.
Baga. Hindi ko lang tawa.
May nahanap kaming
Egg chapati.
kainan dito sa malapit.
Oh, kaya omelet. Oh, ito.
Pwede rin to. Hindi nila niro-roll ano.
Hindi po yata yung nilulog. Ah, hindi ko
Hanap
sure.
kami ng
Meron
mami
ba yun?
merienda
Yung sa Paris iba na
habang naghihintay sa mga bata.
Biryani.
Kasi ba rice?
Hindi naman
Rice ka
natin.
ba dati? Akala ko.
Hindi.
Oo nga, snacks lang.
Ah, ito.
Ayan pala, mga ayan, mga burger sa Marman.
Usually, umaga yun.
Egg parata lang.
Parata.
Alas 10 na no, hindi na yung mago-mago.
Ano sa'yo ate? Ano sa'yo yan? Sabi niya walang
Ito yung
dosa.
in-order namin. Dalawang
Ito, wala daw.
parata.
Tondosa.
Ano yun? Parata
Kima.
and kima.
Dalawa.
Ano ba yung kima, tita?
Parang giniling na maanghang.
Ah, Sa akin ito kasi hindi ko alam yung lasa.
Masarap din yung ano, yung liver nila.
Ito naman
liver.
kay Daddy.
Sa Arabic na liver.
This is the carrot tea for Daddy and Tita Karen. Yan. And this is the coffee
Bumerang,
for me.
bumerang.
Sige na.
Bumerang.
Hindi fix yung order.
And this is the parata. Thank you, Lord. Gusto mo ng ano, may plastic ako.
Plastic ka?
Ilang nga siya ilang dali.
Ang OA nito. Sige, dapat na. Let me see inside that. Dapat pala ganyan na yung ginawa ko.
Ang malapit na ano.
Pinagpe-pray ko nga magbukas yun eh. Kain tayo. Pinagpe-pray ko nga magbukas. Ganito daw kainin ko. Kunin mo yung egg. Yan. Ayun. Kita.
Hmm.
Ubus na Daddy.
Tres pa rin tayo. Nabili-bila kami ng ganyan dati sa Alpha. Siksik talaga yung bear namin doon. Oo. Tapos okay naman siya. Ewan ko, pagkatas ng 2 araw na hospital ako.
Ah, na ano ka?
Food poison ka.
Yung ano, yung kinakain natin. Pasta? Pasta?
Kaska, masarap ang manita na.
Saan?
Ano kaska?
Dami na siyang branch. Meron.
Tapos na kaming kumain. Babalik na kami dun sa Abu Dhabi National Theater.
Luya lang eh, ano? Luya at saka pechay.
Sunduin na namin yung mga bata. Lalabas sila ng 12. Bukas na yung kanilang play. Ano ang title nun? Circle of Life. Oo.
Baka 11:30 pa labasin na yung mga. Kahapon sa 11 eh. Buti. Yeah, but you're finished na. Ha?
How is your practice, anak? Good. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Oh. Kasama na namin sila and we're going home. How many times you dance today? Huh?
One.
How many times?
Only
Bibi.
one time? Only one time you dance? How is it? Did you
Malingwanan
see the lion again? Huh?
You only saw us.
Yeah, the question.
We didn't saw the lion. Lion?
Next time, eh? That could be.
But I...
The next time.
Which floor? Which floor? We're going home na.
No.
We'll take a rest. And tomorrow is the big day of Eliana. What are you gonna do tomorrow, anak?
Nothing.
Talagang pasaway. Nothing? Oh, see, you will sleep the whole day.
You're a sleepy pie.
What you gonna do? Are you excited?
No.
No? Talaga? Over here.
Catch me, Daddy. Catch me, Daddy.
Oh.
And that's already sharpen ako, did you touch that? Diretso mo na school.
Hmm?
Hindi pa din ako.
Look at that barn. This is the big day.
A medium big. Where's Sam already? Look.
Pero bago yung good news ko, meron akong treat sa inyo galing sa JRS Express. Ito po ay 250 worth na dirham para po sa one-way pagpapadala ninyo. So, meron po akong dalawa. So, ito po, simpleng game lang to. Bring me. Okay? So, yung unang bring me, sa kanya po mapupunta yung isa. And then yung second bring me, sa kanya po mapupunta yung isang ulit. Okay? Ready na ba kayo? I-ready na ninyo lahat ng mga paraphernalia ninyo dyan. Okay? Ready na ba kayo? Okay, sige. Bring me a 10 peso coin galing sa Pilipinas! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Ayun! Anong pangalan mo, ate? Bernadette. Electra.
What more can you ask for? We are way ahead for the future. Now, we keep charging.
Kaya sikat kita, diba? Ako na yung vlog.
Opening prayer followed by the national anthem and SRK hymn.
Lily, may we ask you for your blessings?
They are standing tall with confidence, balancing the demands of academics and the arts, and courageously showing the world their talents, their dreams, and their hearts. Today's performance is not just entertaining. It is a powerful statement of SRK's mission to raise a new generation of young leaders and artists who are bold, expressive, and ready to inspire the world. So, to everyone here, welcome and thank you for being part of this unforgettable moment in SRK history. This is SRK. This is excellence. This is the circle of life. Now, let us begin the tale of the next king.
shall never see the light of another day.
Didn't your mother ever tell you not to play with your food?
What do you want?
I'm here to announce that King Mufasa's on his way.
Come on, Dad. You promised.
Okay, I'm up.
Let's go then.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
You've got a long way to go, young master. If you
Wait to be king.
On again.
This is your son.
Oh, your son?
Out of the ashes of this tragedy, we shall rise to greet the dawning of a new era in which lion and hyena come together in a great and glorious future.
How do you feel?
Every time that
But in front of the parents.
Sorry.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Pumbaa, Pumbaa.
Let's hide! Run away! Let's go!
Hey, Pumbaa, what's happening? What's going on?
She's gonna eat me!
Who's gonna eat you?
Yeah. Scar told us about the stampede. He did? Well, what else did he tell you? What else matters? You're alive and that means you're the king.
King? Lady, have you got your lines crossed?
King? Your Majesty, I grovel at your feet.
Stop it.
It's not gravel, it's grovel. And don't! He's not a king. Arya?
No. Simba? No, I'm not the king. Maybe I was gonna be, but that was a long time ago.
You're the king? And you never told us?
Look, I'm still the same guy.
But with power!
Could you guys excuse us for a few minutes?
Hey, whatever she has to say, she can say in front of us. Right, Simba?
Maybe you'd better go.
It starts. You think you know a guy.
Timon, the truth about my past impossible. She turned away from me. He's holding back, he's hiding. But what? I can't decide. Why back?
Gone back? What do you mean?
Simba's got to challenge Scar. Let's help him.
Who?
Who's got a scar?
perfect spot. Now you, Ethan, your father has a...
It's over, Scar!
Please, please have mercy. I beg you.
After what you did?
But Simba, I'm a family.
No, Scar. I'm not like you.
You are truly noble. I'll make it up to you. Just tell me how to prove myself. Tell me what you want me to do.
Run. Run away, Scar. And never return.
As you wish.
And we are very hungry because our bellies are never full.
No.
It is time.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast, the production numbers, the backup dancers, backup singers, and the main vocals of the Circle of Life, the tale of the next king. Woo!
So good? You're so good. Sula ka rin. Pag-picture ka.
Tissue daw. Ayan, Kwame tissue. Ginutom nga talaga to. Excited kumain, ginutom nga talaga. Ginutom nga talaga.
Where's the moon? Where's the moon? Dancer.
Hey? Very good yung baby ko.
Also JJ dance.
Oo, where are you going? Oh, sige, go up na. Oh. Kini. Yeah.
Why you don't have the uniform?